Rolling Stones are in town. These guys are treated like rock stars. Whoa. Well, we said that there was some claps of thunder and bolts of lightning. What a get that is by camera crews out on circuit. We should give a special mention to our camera operators as well, because absolutely, what a shot that was. That just gives you an idea of just how troublesome the weather is proving here. But yeah, coming back to the pre-event, Lewis, you were pleasured enough to be there and witness firsthand just how massively popular MotoGP here is in this part of the world. It really was like Beatlemania. Look at that. Off in the distance, we are getting the thunderstorms that were forecast.
Yes, it's a spectacular sight, or not the spectacular sight that I think anyone wanted to watch.
I was actually shaking because this thunder is so fierce.
Yeah, I was about to say, the parade that we saw on Wednesday was like nothing I've ever experienced. Neither was that. The feeling under our shoes in this commentary box, which was shaking with the selection storm. Yeah, it was a tremendous day on Wednesday, it has to be said. The reception the riders got was like nothing I've ever experienced. The parade that took place early that morning in Jakarta from the President's Palace, the riders got to meet the President here of Indonesia.
But yeah, it was a great lap, honestly. I was super happy about that. And yeah, I'm here waiting. Honestly, it's a pity that at the moment we cannot race because the conditions are what they are. But I'm just waiting. For sure, before a race, we are always so focused and try to be in the zone. But now everything is a bit lost, you know, because we are just waiting. We don't know what to do. Maybe we go out, maybe we go in, maybe we cannot go. It's a pity. And also, I would like to race in a normal condition with wet, but normal condition, because I would like to try the MotoGP bike on rain. But at the moment, it seems a bit too much, let's say.
Fabio, I mentioned the team have so much experience in the wet. They just put a setting that they tell you will work. Do you have any input on how you want the setting, or you just trust them and go ride it?
Well, for sure we start from our base setup of the dry, and we do all the modifyings for the wet. But honestly, I don't have any feedbacks. Also, them said to me, go out and enjoy, because we don't know anything. So it's probably going to be my first time, and yeah, I'm waiting.
Fabio, thank you for your time. Good luck this afternoon.
Thank you.
Scenes you didn't expect to see at 3:15 on race day Sunday at the Indonesian Grand Prix. The entire pit lane is misleading an audience here.
Well, to be honest, let's hope this works. Apparently this is a local rain ritual.
Time to measure away these clouds.
Let's hope this lady's efforts pay off, because we all want to see a MotoGP race take place here in Indonesia.
Well, if the rain stops, we do a race, she should get the 25 points, quite frankly.
Yeah, absolutely. She got a special award at the season from the FIM and from Dorna. Let's keep our fingers crossed that we are going to get the race that we've all come here for, the first Grand Prix of Indonesia in 25 years. There you can see there at the bottom of your screens, the pit lane will not open before 15:45 local time.
The bigger issue we may have, in addition to the obvious issue, which is the quantity of rain that's falling, is the sunlight. It's due to get dark here around about 6:30, just before 6:30.